To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then, open the chat conversation where you want to pin the message. Now, long press the message you want to pin. Then, tap the three dots in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, tap Pin. You will then see a new pop-up window from the latest update. If you don't see it, make sure your WhatsApp app is up to date. Now, choose how long you want the message pinned, 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. Finally, tap Pin to confirm. The message will be pinned at the top of the chat for the duration you selected. You will also see a confirmation saying, "You pinned a message," at the bottom of the chat. You can add a second and third pinned message by repeating the same steps. WhatsApp allows you to pin up to 3 messages in a single chat. Each pinned message can have a different time limit, and pinning a message does not notify the other person. All pinned messages appear at the top of the chat. Tap any pinned message to jump straight to it. If you try to pin a fourth message, WhatsApp will prompt you to replace the oldest pinned message. You can also unpin a message anytime by long pressing it, tapping the 3 dots in the top right corner, and selecting Unpin. Pinning messages with a time limit keeps important information visible at the top of a chat for just as long as you need, helping you stay organized without cluttering the conversation. So, these are all the key things you need to know about pinning messages with a time limit on WhatsApp.